Welcome to our channel. If your Nintendo Switch dock is not connecting to your TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot HDMI and power connection issues. Step 1. Check that the AC adapter is properly connected to the dock and plugged into a working electrical outlet. The dock requires power to output video to the TV. Step 2. Verify the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the dock and your TV. Try unplugging and replugging both ends to ensure a firm connection. Step 3. Test the HDMI cable with another device like a Blu-ray player or laptop to confirm the cable is working properly. Replace the cable if it is damaged. Step 4. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Some ports may be disabled or configured for specific input types, so switching ports can resolve detection issues. Step 5. Ensure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input source. Use your TV remote to cycle through input sources until you find the one connected to the switch dock. Step 6. Perform a hard reset of the dock by unplugging the AC adapter and HDMI cable, waiting 30 seconds, then reconnecting everything in this order: AC adapter to outlet, AC adapter to dock, HDMI to dock, HDMI to TV. Step 7. Dock your Switch properly by opening the back cover of the dock and ensuring the console sits firmly in the dock with the USB-C connector fully inserted. Step 8. If the issue persists, try your Switch with a different TV or monitor to determine if the problem is with the dock, the TV, or the HDMI port. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.